Today, I want to show you something that proves just how durable old Apple devices were. This is the iPod Nano 5th generation, released back in 2009. Even though it's over 15 years old, it still powers on and works. At first glance, you can already see the biggest problem. The display is badly damaged. The LCD is cracked, making the screen almost impossible to read. But surprisingly, the iPod itself is still fully functional. The click wheel responds perfectly, the buttons still work, and the battery can still hold enough power to turn it on. It's amazing to see a device this old still operating despite such serious physical damage. One of the coolest things about the 5th generation iPod Nano was its built-in video camera. At the time, that was a huge feature for such a tiny music player. You could record videos, listen to music, view photos, play games, and even use the FM radio. It packed a lot of features into such a small device. Looking at it today, it's easy to forget how revolutionary it was. Before smartphones became part of everyday life, devices like this were everywhere. Millions of people carried an iPod to school, work, or on long trips just to enjoy their favorite music. Even though the screen on this one is destroyed, it still reminds us how well these devices were built. Many modern gadgets stop working after a few years, but this iPod has survived for more than a decade and still refuses to quit. I'm actually thinking about replacing the display and restoring it to its original condition. It would be great to see this classic working like new again. So, what do you think? Would you repair this iPod Nano, or would you keep it exactly as it is as a piece of Apple history? Let me know your opinion in the comments. If you enjoy videos about classic Apple devices and retro technology, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Oh